Today we're visiting one of America's most iconic landmarks, the Hoover Dam. Stretching across the Colorado River between Nevada and Arizona, this massive concrete marvel has been holding strong since 1935. When it was completed, Hoover Dam was the largest dam in the world, a true feat of engineering that still impresses almost 100 years later. Quick heads up, when we visited, the visitor center was closed for renovations, and there were no dam tours running. Make sure to check for latest updates before you plan your trip. Even without the tours, just walking across the dam and taking in these epic views was unforgettable. Plus, you can stand in 2 states at once. If Hoover Dam isn't on your bucket list yet, it should be. Thanks for tagging along. Follow us for more adventures on the road.